eSIM. This was my first trip to Bangkok with friends, and we chose KKday and number 39, SS and SIM card. It was incredibly convenient to use, very easy to install, and the internet speed was stable, smooth, and super fast, making my trip very smooth and enjoyable. The internet speed is fantastic. One-click installation is super convenient. Thank you for providing this eSIM, it made my trip in Thailand seamless. This is an amazing network card, you absolutely have to buy it. I buy this brand every time I come to Thailand. Smooth and easy to use, with excellent customer service. A great choice for your trip to Thailand. eSIM. Push. On the day of the trip, scanning the QR code to access the phone and then turning on mobile data upon arrival was incredibly convenient. The internet speed was also excellent, it worked smoothly all day. I and number 39, LL definitely buy from them again. Unlimited data and fast speed. I originally only bought it for one day, but I forgot that there and number 39, a 1-hour time difference with Taiwan, so I was without internet for an hour. Luckily, there was Wi-Fi at the airport. The network is very stable, I never lose signal and everything runs smoothly. My friend bought another one and said that even when he had no signal, mine was still very smooth. The signal is excellent in both downtown and suburban Bangkok, and ChatGPT works well at a very affordable price. I and number 39, LL definitely use it again next time. The internet connection in Chiang Mai was perfect, no lag whatsoever. I and number 39, LL definitely buy this again for my next trip to Thailand. The internet speed was fast for 5 days in the city center, and it wasn't an number 39, slow even when there were many people around.